Believe it or not, millions of broken ceramic pieces are guarding an ancient secret. To reach this place, you have to leave the land behind, a sanctuary hidden away from the modern world. Legend has it, giant snake gods guard this ruin for centuries, watching over a mysterious lady of the river. More than just a masterpiece, this is where local find peace and where every heartfelt prayer for love comes true. Phu Châu Miếu, what lies behind the 300-year legend? Discover full story on Saigon Remix. The journey doesn't end here. The mystery is the way to be discovered.